you like to work one time and then get paid over and over and over and over again? If that sounds interesting to you, I think you've got a lot I have to tell you about in my review of Amazon KDP riches. Okay, we're looking right now at the sales page for Amazon KDP riches. This is from my friends Trevor and Luann. Now, basically, the idea is very, very simple. The idea is you write books, you get them out onto Amazon and start selling them. Very, very simple concept. The trouble, of course, is actually writing the books. It used to take many, many years. As somebody who has written books, I can tell you writing books is a very time-consuming process, usually. But today, when you have AI, it's actually very, very easy to write books and to have them snap right out again and again and again and again and again, over and over. You just get them out the door and put them out, start making money from them. It's super simple. And Trevor and Luann have come up with the perfect method for doing this. They have shown exactly what to do, the exact method that you need to do in order to do it step by step. I'm going to show you the members area in just a second. But of course, anybody who's a regular on the channel knows this would not be a Man That Review without having a crazy, crazy custom bonus.
I'm Raymond Reddington.
Dude, seriously, I know you're the man in the hat. I'm the man in the hat. We're all the man in the hat. But you know what? Right now we're talking about me. We're not talking about you. So stop interrupting my videos. Guys, so irritating. You know, if it wasn't for the fact that he scares the crap out of me. Okay, seriously. Yeah, check this out. I want to show you this entire list of bonuses because I put together a massive, massive package of bonuses for you guys this time. So first and foremost, you have my brand new course where I'm going to teach you what I call the triple dip method. Basically, the idea is you can buy stuff for as little as $1 and then sell them for massive profits. I do this all the time. And I actually have something right now sitting here in my office that I bought for $16 and it is currently selling for $40 on eBay. Okay. So plus shipping. So it's not, it's literally double my money. And the method that I show you is one I've done over and over and over again, makes me a ton of money. Super simple to do. And I actually demonstrate for you that you can do this for you can buy something for as little as $1 and then sell it for a crazy amount of money. This is a very easy method. Anybody can do it. Very, very simple. And it works consistently. It's so easy to do. I absolutely love it. But of course, we're still not done yet because after all, one single bonus item would not be a very good bonus. You want a whole lot of bonuses. Otherwise, it's kind of crappy, right?
That's a load of crap.
I just said it's kind of crappy. You don't have to, rub it in. Seriously, dude, that's not cool. Not cool at all. Anyway, but seriously, how about perfect prompts? You know, AI is all about the prompts. People actually sell these prompt packs. What if you didn't need to worry about coming up with the perfect prompts? This new method will show you the exact methods to create prompts. We're still not done yet. I got a video system that will actually create videos from a prompt. It's a little bit different than the other ones that I've shown you in the past. This one doesn't create, a 5-second clip. This one you can actually tell it what you want. And it'll create the B-roll, the video, the video B-roll, and it'll also do the voiceover for it. So it's a really, really nice system. You can create like a proper sales video from it. Very different than the things where it creates a 5 or 10-second clip based on a prompt. Very interesting stuff. We're still not doing that, of course, because if you want to be a successful entrepreneur, you do need to have a lot of stuff. And boy, do I have a lot of stuff.
Billionaire entrepreneur.
Thank you, Barry. That's very kind of you. I'm not quite a billionaire entrepreneur, but I'm working on it. And by the way,
Where is Liz Lemon?
exactly. Good God, where is Liz Lemon? But seriously. So this is my very first high ticket product called Tube Dominator, sold for $595. People still get value out of this, excuse me, and giving it away for free to you, and you're getting full PLR rights. You can give it away, use it as your own bonus. How about my guide, adding green screen to any of your videos without spending extra time? This is not the same as what I told you about in a previous bonus where I showed you a new system that would green screen, remove backgrounds from videos. This one is actually creating the green screen with completely free software. You don't have to do anything. I used to do this all the time. I don't usually do it anymore just because I think I have a pretty nice background behind me, with the guy tooting his horn, the guy with the hat. But when I used to live in a different place, and my background was kind of like crappy looking, I used to use the green screen all the time. It worked really, really well. Very simple method, completely free. I'm also going to show you how to use the same software that I'm still using today, which is called DaVinci Resolve. Again, every single one of my bonuses does come with full PLR rights, but we're still not done yet. You know how I constantly am interacting with all those clips, with Liz Lemon and with Raymond Reddington and of course Neil Caffrey from White Collar. By the way, if you're a fan of White Collar, I heard that they're doing a reboot of it. I'm super excited about that. But anyway, what if you could do that yourself? I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, where I get these clips, and why it is perfectly legal to do this. It's a very, very simple method. Still not done yet, though. How about free social media bios? I'll show you how to get that taken care of. I'm also going to show you how to find questions that people are asking on Google completely for free. Perfect domain name, so you can come up with the perfect domain name that you want for your new business whenever you need them. Plus, how about I'll show you how to get free content written every single month over and over and over again. 33,000 words written for you every single month completely for free. How about a video editor, which is completely free and online? Really, really nice video editor. And how about if I also show you how to create social media content for life? Great stuff. Plus, how about your own chatbot training on your own website? Different one than the one I've talked about recently. Create a song from an image or video. This one is really, really cool, actually. And of course, how to create instant pop songs and I can do totally for free. Very, very cool stuff. All of that stuff, getting all of it, and check out the price on this thing. This is what's so crazy about this. Look at this. Let me show you the sales page here real quick. $7.95. $7.95 for all of those bonuses. Plus, of course, you get full PLR rights to the actual course with Amazon KDP Riches. Truly incredible stuff. Here is the actual PDF of it. You can see here, very nicely done, very simple. And again, you do get full PLR rights to this. So you're able to sell it. You can give it away. You can use it as your own bonus, just like you know with all of my bonuses. Really, really incredible for $7.95. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
The man! You're the man! You're the man!
Yeah, seriously, okay. You're the man. This is awesome. Very, very nice stuff. And for $7.95 plus all my bonuses, this is worth grabbing. You're going to love it.